I'm Michael Leeper. I'm the Director of Global Technology for Columbia Sportswear. Columbia's in its 75th year of operations as the global leader in apparel, sportswear, and footwear that allows you to go explore the outdoors. We have about 4,000 employees around the world. We're based here in Portland, Oregon. We have about 44 locations that service our global empire as a company. One of the main things for me as an IT leader for the organization is to try to figure out how I and my teams bring value back to the company. Where I provide value and where my teams provide value is enabling the business to take advantage of the technologies and take advantage of the programs that they want and at the speed that they need them to be.
Part of systems engineering is architecture, design, deployment. We provide solutions to the business. So not only when a project comes in the door, but a problem as well. So someone will come to systems engineering and ask, how do I get an application on a tablet device? We have the technology for that.
As we looked around the marketplace and looked at technology, we really felt that VMware was that leader and VMware was that partner that was going to carry us forward in our virtualization journey and in our ability to help serve the business. With the VMware architecture that we've built, that we enable the business to move as fast as they want to.
VMware suite of products is really enabling IT at Columbia Sportswear. VMware Cloud Automation Suite, VMware Horizon allows us to migrate workloads between data centers, intra-data center, and eventually up into the hybrid cloud service.
Everything is 100% virtual in our data centers. We've brought virtualization into our storage arrays. We just become far more flexible as an organization, where the entire environment is defined by software. We're not bound by hardware any longer. Our ability to deliver services and deliver platforms to the company is so much greater than it would have been in a physical world.
vCenter Operations Manager is really giving us that insight down into even the transaction layer of our virtual workloads, where we can really get that overview into what's going on into our virtual environment.
We're not spending the time we used to in the boring and mundane tasks of racking and stacking and configuring low-level architecture. We're truly able to work on tasks that bring value back to the business and make us a better company at the end of the day.
It saves us time, it saves us money, it enables the business to have confidence in what IT is doing.
With Columbia's software-defined data center running on VMware technologies, it's allowed us to really change the way that IT interacts with the business. The ways we used to do things might have taken us realistically 6, 8, 12 weeks to deliver infrastructure, where today it's measured in hours and at the worst case days. Because we're moving at such a faster speed today than we ever have, we really have had to work with the business so they can understand what our capabilities are and truly what we can enable them to do and what speeds that we can do that at, because it's very different than it was 2 or 3 years ago. I can sit down with my business executives and really start trying to understand where they're trying to go as a company. What truly gets me excited is trying to figure out how IT can make them better.
With VMware's Horizon Suite, we're really looking forward to being able to deliver applications that are critical to our business. SAP is a primary example. As we start to roll out our global business transformation, we can deliver that SAP GUI to any device, anywhere, anytime.
Our software-defined data center strategy, while it allows us to provide a very stable and secure platform for the business, what it also allows me to do is let my teams go find the next thing. We can work on finding the next tool in our toolbox so that we truly are 1 or 2 steps ahead of the business and can enable them to move as fast as they want to go.